Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, my dear students. Welcome to our Nilphamari Government High School. I am Muhammad Rafiul Islam, a student teacher in English in Nilphamari Government High School. Today, the subject and topics I am going to teach you is English second paper. It is for class 9 and 10. The topic is tag question. Okay, now we will look at some pictures, some photos and dialogue. Okay, can you please look at the pictures? One man is asking, a woman is asking question, you are Shumon, aren't you? The other man is answering, no, I'm not. Then another picture again, you are not a student, are you? No, I'm a teacher, the other person says. So this is also another dialogue. Okay. Then look at again and see another dialogue. Okay. Let's go out, shall we? This man is telling and the other man is telling, okay. Okay. Then again look at some sentences like that. Birds can fly, can't they? A man cannot fly, can he? So we have already seen some sentences, and the sentences are interrogative sentences. They are question, but we can recognize that these questions are not normal question, they are somewhat different question. So can you please tell me what type of question are they? Yes, the right you are. These all are tag questions. So our today topics is tag question. We are going to learn today is tag question. Okay. So what is a tag question? What do we mean by tag question? Why this is called a tag question? Think for a minute. Okay. Okay, a tag question is a question which is tagged at the end of a speech to support the speaker's speech. When somebody says something, he say again another short question to get the support of the listener. This is usually used in British English, but in American English, instead of tag question, only okay is used. Okay. If we analyze the term tag question, we can get tag means attach, to join, to add something, extra something. That means it is something extra with the main bodies. Like in our newspaper, sometime we get some extra material, some extra magazine with the main newspaper. This extra magazine is called tag or add something. That means extra bonus something. So tag question is, again we can say that tag question is something that is extra with the main questions. Okay. So now we shall know some rules of tag question. So let's learn some rules. Okay. Rule on, if the statement is affirmative, tag question will be in negative. Example, he knows my name, doesn't he? Then they won the game, didn't they? We love our country, don't we? If we analyze this sentence, we can get that the tag subject of the tag question is the subject of the main sentences. Again, the tense of the tag question follows the tenses of the main sentences. The first sentence is in present simple tense, so the tag question is also in present simple tense. The second question is in past simple tense, so the tag question is also in past simple tense. And third question, we love our country, don't we? This is also in second. This sentence is also in present simple tense, so the tag question is also in present simple tense, and the subject of the tag question is followed by the subject of the main sentences. That means the subject of main sentence will be the subject of the tag question. Okay. Then rule number 2, if the statement is negative, tag question will be in affirmative. Okay. Example, he does not tell a lie, does he? Here the statement is affirmative, negative, so the tag question is in affirmative. She did not go to school. This is past simple tense. The statement is in negative, the tag question is in affirmative. You cannot speak English, can you? This is the main sentence is negative, so the tag question is affirmative. For tag question, we normally use auxiliary verb and the subject. There will not be used any principal verb. So we should know some contraction form. When the auxiliary verb add with subject, or when the auxiliary verb will be in negative form, that means the tag question will be in negative form, we should use some contraction form. So we should know the construction to make tag question correctly. So here are some contraction form or short form, how to make short form in tag question for using auxiliary verb with negative. Okay. First, do not, don't, doesn't, does not, doesn't, did not, didn't, am not, aren't or aren't, is not, isn't, have not, haven't, will not, won't, shall not, shan't, cannot, can't, is equal to isn't, are or aren't. Okay. These all are short form or contraction form. So there are some exercise for you. You should try to make the tag question of this statement. Okay. We are Bangladeshi. What will be the tag question? Aren't we? He does not help me. What will be the tag question? Does he? In number C, they cannot do the work. Can they? Number D, he passed the exam. Didn't he? And number E is imperative sentence. Follow me. Won't you? In imperative sentence, we normally get the meaning in future. So the auxiliary verb of imperative sentence will be will, and so we should use won't or will in future in imperative sentence in form of future tense. Okay. Then use a pronoun. Okay. It is a lovely day, isn't it? Dirty water is not safe, is it? They played well, didn't they? Give me a pen, will you or won't you? And he will do the work, won't he? Okay, there are some More tag question. Close the door. Will you or won't you? He runs fast. Doesn't he? Then Runa passed the exam. Didn't she? Instead of Runa, we use she because it is feminine gender. Okay. We shall do it, shan't we? Don't tell a lie, will you? If the imperative sentence is affirmative, then the tag question will be negative. If the imperative sentence is negative, the tag question will be in affirmative. Now, there is some answer. You should match the answer with the three groups. We have already discussed three groups of tag question. Now, you should match the answer and write the answer. Write the answers in group and match them with your there are some more tasks regarding tag question. You should again revise the question that we have already discussed. What is a tag question? And answer is a tag question is short question which joins at the end of the statement. Then I should give you a home task. The home task is write 10 sentences with tag question. That means you have to write 10 sentences using the tag question with those sentences. Okay.